Hello and welcome to Knit Designs. My name is Anne, and in this brief tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to make symmetrical increases for a raglan line in top-down knitting. In my example, the raglan line consists of two central knit stitches with increases created before and after these two stitches in every other row. In the first row where I make the increases are going to be made with yarn overs. My first yarn over before the two stitches is going to be made purlwise. The purlwise is where the needle goes under the yarn, like so. Then I knit the central two stitches, followed by a yarn over knitwise. And now I continue knitting to my next raglan line. As I'm knitting a jumper, I have 4 raglan sections in total to make the increases for. So I'm just going to repeat this one more time. So knit up to the 2 central stitches, make an increase purlwise, then knit the 2 central stitches, followed by a yarn over knitwise, and then continue knitting to the next raglan section. There are no increases in the second row. What we do here, we knit in the pattern. So I'm just going to knit up to my first yarn over. Now my first yarn over looks like this, with the front loop facing me. So I'm going to pull out this front loop, insert the needle into it, and knit through it. Now I have created a twisted knit stitch leaning to the right. I'm just going to knit the central 2 stitches, and my second yarn over looks like this. And I need to knit it through the back loop. So again, I pull out the back loop and knit through it. As you can see, the increases look symmetrical here, where the first yarn over leans to the right and the second to the left. And I just quickly go through knitting the increases one more time. So the first increase is knitted through the front loop, followed by 2 knit stitches, and the second increase is knitted through the stitch position behind the left needle. Let's pull it out, back, and knit through it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful.